So welcome back. So now let's write the code. So we are going to write the code for sorting colors, okay, for the Dutch problem, Dutch national flag problem actually. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one static method, and this method is going to take one array nums. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, in this I'm going to initialize our variables first. So int left means low, int low equal to 0, int mid, okay, this is another way to do that. Mid should also be 0, correct, and high equal to nums dot length minus 1, correct. So all the variables I have declared. So now I will start my for loop. So what we have decided, I mean in the last video what we have seen, we are going to compare with the mid. We'll try to find out the mid. If mid is equal to 0, then I have to do certain operation. If mid equals to 1, I don't have to do any certain operation. And in other cases, like for the case of 2, I'm going to do certain operation. Okay, so there are 3 cases. Okay, so while mid is less than or equal to high, right? So in this case, I'm going to check if nums mid, if that is equal to 0, then what I have to do, I have to simply swap with the low. Okay, so in temp, this is a very standard swap method. So in temp equal to nums low equal to nums mid, right, and nums mid will have the temp. Okay, and once this swap is done, then I have to increment both the pointers. Okay, so low and mid will be plus plus and mid should also be plus plus, correct. This is your if condition, if you remember, while you're doing the step-by-step education, correct. Else, if nums dot mid, nums of mid, that is equal to 1, then I have to do nothing. I have to simply mid plus plus. This is only I have to do. There is no swapping in this. In the rest of the cases, what I have to do, simply in else, I have to swap with the high. In temp, let me copy this swap method, because same I have to type it again here. So I have to take high equal to mid and mid equal to temp, correct. And apart from that, I have to decrement the high. So high minus minus. So this is the thing that I have to do in this. And so what I'm doing here, we are simply checking 0. There are 3 conditions, 0, 1 and 2. So in case of 0, I want to try to put everything on the front. So for that, I'm going to swap with the low pointer. And in case of 1, I don't have to do because a middle element. So neither it will go on the front, neither it will go to the end, right? So in the other cases, apart from 0 and 1, whatever it is, that goes to the end simply. So it will go to the end. So for the end, what I'm going to do, I'm going to swap the current value with the, mid value with the high value. Okay, so this is a simple logic that we have done. So this is the case. I mean, look, this problem could be for any kind of flag, like Indian flag also. It's having the 3 colors. Someone give you a a group of a box of colors of these three colors, and you have to sort this so that Indian flag can be made using this order. So all the top will be in a different color, then middle all the same color will be in the same group or zone, and at the second position color will be having the different zones. So all the colors will be grouped in different parts with different zones. Okay, so this is all about. So let's see you in the next one.